Hood struts installation for a Skyline R34. This kit is available on eBay for $80. It comes with 2 hood brackets, left and right side. Also 2 bolts and washers. And the struts, of course. You only need to remove the top nut on the hood. Then you add this bracket to the hood with the ball part pointing outward. Don't forget to grease where metal touches metal to prevent rusting. Now, for the center fender bolt, you're going to replace it with the bolt provided with the kit. Tighten it with a 10mm wrench. Connect the gas shocks to the hood first, and then move the hood up or down to position it on the fender bolt. Make sure you have the correct orientation and make sure the clips are secured. And that's it. Now you're ready to enjoy life with an easy lifting hood. Check it out. It's effortless now. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe.